Jamie here from WordPress. Here's an easy way to add a call to action block within the new WordPress version 5 editor, and we're going to use our Claxton plugin to do this, which is a free plugin that you can download from WordPress. So you just click on the Claxton panel here, and we're after this one here, the Easy Hero, which we may rename, and this just lets you add this block here where you can add things like a background image. So I'm just going to select a background image for my block here. Just choose one of your photographs, and there it is, and you see you can just type your text in here. You get the idea, and it's so easy to use. Just click on this button here and type in. Now you can style these as well. So over here on the right hand side you can customize these. So for example, you can change the title, make these bigger and smaller. You can make them parallax, which is cool. You can make them full width and full height of the screen. So let's go large here. Let's make that bigger. You can customize this button down here as well. So you can change things like the background color of that button. You can change the text color within that button. All sorts of crazy stuff. Just click update over here on the right and go and view the page. We should have a really nice big call to action on our front page now. So that's how you can add a really cool call to action on your websites using WordPress version 5.